everyone, I'm so excited to be here today as we dive deeper into a crucial topic for anyone running or planning to start an SE business: how to design professional logos, banners, or product image. And you know, SE isn't like other marketplace. Shoppers fall in love with visuals before they even read your description. Therefore, a great design really builds trust and drives sales. So, today we will cover some main parts. Firstly, we will talk about the importance of logo in branding. Secondly, I will guide you step by step to know how to create eye-catching banners and visual. Lastly, I will provide some tips for professional product photography. Especially, they are free and easy to use tools for non-designers. And everything will be explained clearly, step by step, so you can apply it right away. And if you are ready, let's get started right now. Well, a logo isn't just a symbol. It's the first touch points between you and your customer on Etsy. I mean, a good and clear logo can show your brand styles and instantly make your shop look more professional and trustworthy. Furthermore, a well-designed logo helps your shop stand out and be memorable. Besides, your logo is the first building block for creating a strong and consistent brand identity. Here are some common types of logo used on Etsy. Firstly, wordmark logo. This is the most common and easiest type to design. It's use the shop name in the nice font, maybe with a few small details. Secondly, monogram logo. This type use the shop name or initial to create a stylish logo. And thirdly, symbol logo. This one uses an image to represent your brand, and it also includes your shop name and a slogan. Lastly, combination logo. You can mix an image with your shop name, and you can also add a background to your logo. So, how can you create a great logo even if you don't know Photoshop? Let's check out some easy tool and design tip in the next part. Now, I know that some of you guys in here might be thinking, well, but I'm not a designers or photographers. Photoshop's look way too complicated. Well, here is the good news for you. You don't need to be a pro. Today, I will show you a super simple, free tools that let everyone create stunning logo in minutes. Canva. Whereas you just only need to drag and drop, then choose the fonts, icons. At the result, you can create a beautiful fitting logo all by yourself. Please just remember a quick note in here. Etsy shop logo works best at 500 by 500 pixels. Now let's talk about logo design secrets for every Etsy success. Firstly, keep it simple. Clean and memorable logo wins every time. Secondly, make it relevant. It should scream your brands at the first glance. Thirdly, use matching colors. When adding color to your logo, make sure it fits your shop overall style and doesn't clash with your banners, mockups, or photos. But hey, you would rather to save time and get pro result? We've got affordable freelancer who can craft your perfect logo starting just a few dollars. So now you can choose the best option for you. And then when you have your logo is ready, what's next? Let's elevate your entire shop with eye-catching banners and conversion-boosting product photos. And trust me, this is where the magic happens. Well, the banner is the first thing people see when they visit your shop, like the sign outside the store. I mean, it has to set the tone for your brand, so having a good banners can make a big difference. And you can design a banner in your own unique styles or update it for different seasons or holidays to keep your shop looking fresh and current. However, what makes a banner truly great? It's not about fancy equipment. It's need to create a strong first impression and immediately tell customers that the shop is really professional and trustworthy. As a result, they're more likely to feel confident buying from you, and thus trust can lead to more sales. But I hear you asking, what if I don't own a professional cameras or Photoshop? No worry, you can still create the eye-catching banners and product image. So now let's move on to the next part, where we will share some simple but really powerful design tips to have your shop stand out. Well, on Etsy, customer can touch or try your products, so they entirely rely on your image to decide whether or not to buy your products. And that's why it's so important to understand the tips below to create beautiful and professional banner for your shops. Firstly, make sure your shop design is consistent in style, color tones, and overall look, since a unified design builds trust and makes your shop feel more professional. Secondly, if your banner includes text, make sure it is easy to read and stand out against the background. Next, a well-designed banner can have your shop be more unique and memorable, and at the same time, it should be simple and clear, only showing the most crucial information. Also, your banner needs to look good on all the kinds of device, from phones to computer. And one of the important things is to keep critical elements away from edge, because it might cut off or hidden on different screen. Last but not least, the recommended banner size for Etsy's shop is 3360 by 840 pixels. This will give you the best display across all the device. Now, to visualize what I said, let's take a look at some popular banner styles used on Etsy. Well, there are three popular banner styles that you will often see on Etsy. Firstly, we have text-focused banner. For example, here from Olivia Wilson Fashion Studio. And secondly, we have product-focused banner, like this example from Listeria & Co. Home Decor. Well, thirdly is promotional banners in here, a powerful way to showcase more than just your logos or products. Unlike the simple text or product-focused styles, promotional banners are designed to give a full overview of your shop. Take a look at this example from Terry Dialogues in here. It doesn't just show the products, it tells a story. And if you want and are interested in creating a promotional banner for your old shop, please choosing a banner style, color, and layout that match your brand's. Next, searching Etsy banner, and you will see a lot of pro templates in here. And if you had Etsy Plus, you can display up to 4 banners, perfect for promoting different aspects of your store. And why this matter? A killer promotional banner does 3 things. Firstly, build trust instantly. Secondly, communicate your brand in seconds. And lastly, turn browsers into buyers. So, after all, please tell me, which time will you choose for your shop? Now let's take your products photos from good to irresistible with mockups. Canva offers a huge library of pre-made mockups, whether you are selling digital downloads or art prints of phone case and even online course. For example, on the left, we see the digital core presented inside a mockup on multiple devices, phone or tablets or laptop, and it's really clean, modern, and understandable. On the right, there is a frame photography print sold in the beautiful room setting, giving customer a real feel of how the product might look like in the home. Therefore, using mockup have your shop look more professional, save time, and keep your image consistent. And if you are ready right now, please open Canva and search as mockups. Well, let's talk about the winning product image. Your shop's is great weapon for turning browsers into buyers. In terms of image requirements, as it's love consistent, here's how to nail it. We use square ratio, stick to 2000 by 2000 pixel for perfect display. We must highlight the keys detail in the image or description. Furthermore, we also need to keep colors, fonts aligned with your shop vibe to build trust. Talking about the mockup types, we have 7 Mockup number 1, highlight and clearly show the product design feature. Mockup number 2, videos. And mockup number 3, lifestyle, product and content image that fits your target audience. Mockup number 4, product details including colors and material. And mockup number 5, customer reviews. Mockup number 6, sign and color chart. And mockup number 7, call to action. While the next one in naming an image. Don't overlook this part because properly naming files can post essays upside as. For example, in here we has magic underscore kingdom underscore search and underscore one. Well, let's take a look at some examples of mockups in here. We had notes, side chart, or thank you cards in here. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end of today's lessons. I hope this can help you gain a clearer understanding of how to design your logos, banners, and product image in a professional way. So your Etsy shop not only looks good, but also actually sells better. Please just remember, on Etsy's, image are your silent salesperson. If you wouldn't take care of them, they will work for you 24/7. And if you had any question, please drop the comments below or post in our group. I'm here to help every step of the way. Wishing you a super successful Mother Day season and a tons of order for your shop. See you in the next videos.